Welcome back to our series all about creating an influencer media kit with Wix. For today's video, we are going to learn how you can add a back to top button onto your Wix media kit site. Because when you're designing a media kit site, it's important to think about user experience. If your site has long pages like portfolio sections or brand collaboration showcases, a back to top button makes navigation easier and keeps your site looking professional. So let's learn how to add it. On the Wix editor, go to the plus button on the left. Select Button and choose the back to top button from here. Drag and drop it onto your page. Don't worry, by the way, you'll be able to change its style later on. Now click on it and click on Link. Make sure to select top or bottom of page and select top. Click on Done. Now, click on it and click the Design button. Click on Customize Design, and here you can change its background fills and so much more. So let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and change it to a color that matches your site's theme. Once you're done, you can close this small window. Now for the final step, right-click on your Back to Top button and select Pin to Screen. Then set its position to the lower right and then close the window. And now this button will always be pinned to the lower right corner of your screen, no matter where on your page you are. Don't forget to click on Save to save your changes. That's all. That's how you add a back to top button to your Wix influencer site. It's a small detail, but it makes browsing smoother, more professional, and user-friendly. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next step. See you in the next video, and thanks so much for watching.